Biodiversity can be defined three ways: the total number of species on Earth, mushrooms to mammals and everything in between; the genetic diversity within a species, the number of different genes present, that's a different level; and then the number of different kinds of ecological communities across the globe: freshwater, marine, terrestrial, everything. So 3 levels. Careers for biodiversity conservation majors could include academic positions, state, federal agency positions, and more common now, positions with non-governmental conservation organizations focused on biodiversity issues around the globe. Skills that one might develop as a biodiversity conservation major would include studies of biodiversity, this group of plants, insects, animals, whatever it might be, in sometimes remote places or species-rich places like coral reefs, tropical rainforests. Language skills, although a lot of BYU students already have those; statistical data analysis skills, or perhaps bioinformatics skills. That's a new direction. As we accumulate large databases, we're going to need people who know bioinformatics and how to manage those and apply those to conservation issues. Biology would be similar. Wildlife and wildlands conservation would be similar. Probably most overlap with biodiversity, that second one, wildlife, wildlands conservation, except that in that major, usually the target species are species of significance for hunting, fishing, sportsmen. You still are protecting habitats and ecosystems, but they're target species, whereas biodiversity focuses on all life on Earth and the interactions, ecological interactions of all life on Earth. It's not for everybody. There's a lot of field work in remote places. You get hot, tired, stung, bitten, hungry. But if you want adventure, if you like the outdoors, and you want to make a difference in the world, if you have a language skill, a whole lot of work we do is in the tropics, South America, Spanish or Portuguese in the case of Brazil, places like that. You can put that to use on behalf of biodiversity conservation and in improving human prospects too in those places.